The iPhone 17e is expected to be Apple's next exciting addition to its smartphone lineup, designed to offer a more affordable alternative while still including many premium features from the flagship iPhone series. Positioned as a device that balances performance, style, and value, the iPhone 17e is rumored to feature a sleek modern design with an improved OLED display that delivers sharper visuals, richer colors, and smoother everyday use. It is also expected to be powered by Apple's latest chipset, ensuring fast processing, efficient multitasking, and strong gaming performance. In terms of photography, the iPhone 17e may come with upgraded camera technology, including better low-light performance, enhanced portrait shots, and advanced AI-driven image processing. Battery life is also likely to see improvements, giving users longer screen time throughout the day, while new iOS features will provide an even more seamless and intelligent user experience. With Apple's signature build quality, long-term software support, and a more accessible price point, the iPhone 17e could become a very popular choice for users who want a powerful iPhone experience without paying the premium cost of the Pro models.